Hey guys, I'm at Subway. This is my local Subway, and this video is going to be for JackPatterson. These are the videos of the Hampton equipment next. He had these in the event today, or he did have these. There's one remaining in the studio, the dance studio. And the quick neck was the place for helping his practice out, and that fan's gone now. This one has a chain on this lobby. Yeah. There's another fan over here. Yes, guys, this video is for JackPatterson. So, JackPatterson, if you're watching this video is for you. Of the students at Subway. And I know you love him to do quick next, and these fans remind me of you, and these fans make me think of you. And then here's another one over here. Just 12 of them in here. This is my local Subway, and these fans have been here ever since I was a child and a kid. So this is an old Subway. This video is for JackPatterson. So JackPatterson, you're watching this video is for you. And I'll show you guys a cool footage of them. That one was going to look slow. Maybe not a thing there. I don't know if you like get them with all the way to the job. Yeah, there we go. That's the best way to do it. Yep, guys, this video is for JackPatterson of the Hampton at Subway. Faster. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and bye.